Hi there and welcome back. In the last episode, I've shown you how to create a Postgres function that will check for room availability. And we have installed an object action, okay, that is tied to a check availability button in our registration web page. Before I proceed to expand the functionality of our billing system, I'd like to introduce concepts that are useful in doing enhancements to this project. Okay, it's called transient models and wizards. Okay, what's a transient model? Unlike a regular model, a transient model stores temporary data. A regular model stores permanent data, and a regular model is inherited from models that model. Okay, and then it is used. It stores. It is later converted into a PostgreSQL table. A transient model, on the other hand, is used to store temporary data, and it's inherited from models that transient model. Okay, it has the same facets or properties of an ordinary model. In fact, in our guest registration system, particularly in adding bills, no, we are going to duplicate our room bills.py into room bills new py. That is a transient model. Okay, so what is a transient model? It is actually usually a document or rather duplicate model that is used to generate forms. These forms are called wizards, no? To ask user input, okay, like asking for additional charges, payments, and so on and so forth. No? Why do we need to do that? Because in Odoo, you cannot add user input without using a field. So therefore, a field is tied up to a model, and we cannot use the permanent model because the the user may cancel the wizard and might accidentally save the record into the actual PostgreSQL table. So the transient model is actually our means, okay, of getting user input. But later we are going to save the actual record into the actual Postgres table or Odoo model. Okay, I hope you follow. Because in this guest registration system like this, we are going to ask for we are going to add a new button that will ask for either a new payment, a new room charge, no, a discount, or a new charge for meals, no, and other services. So when we are going to get that input, we are going to use a wizard. A wizard is a model. Actually, it's a pop-up screen that will ask for the different user inputs needed to add an entry here. And okay, it will have a save button. Once it's saved, it will copy the contents of the transient model into the roombill.py model that we have created earlier. Remember, this is taken from roombill.py. I hope you follow, no? Transient models and wizards are very commonly used in most Odoo applications because we always have to ask for user inputs, and user inputs on views can only be included using fields. We cannot use even context variables. We can't do that, no? So we need to use transient models. Now the records in the transient models are constantly purged by Odoo, no? As the Odoo service is running, especially those that are old records, no? Rather records that are no longer used, no? Because Odoo will put a timestamp to every record in the transient model, and then old records will later be constantly deleted. Okay, so it's just a temporary data that we can use for asking user input, okay, which later is saved into the actual model. I hope you follow. Anyway, in the next episode we are going to uh, discuss an example of the transient model, and later we are going to develop a wizard that will enhance our guest billing system in our hotel management application in Odoo. Thanks for watching this video and see you next time. Bye everyone.